The Mazda CX-3 is a subcompact crossover SUV that has garnered attention for its blend of sporty performance, stylish design, and premium features. Introduced in 2015, the CX-3 represents Mazda's entry into the competitive subcompact SUV market, and it has been praised for its driving dynamics and upscale interior. Design and styling. The Mazda CX-3 features Mazda's Kodo design language, which emphasizes fluid and dynamic lines. This design approach gives the CX-3 a sleek and athletic appearance, with sharp headlights, a prominent grille, and a sculpted profile. Its compact dimensions, about 170 inches in length, 71 inches in width, and 65 inches in height, make it well-suited for urban environments, while its elevated stance provides a commanding driving position. Exterior. The Mazda CX-3's exterior design is a notable aspect of its appeal, reflecting Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, which aims to capture the essence of movement and elegance. Here are some key features. Front design. The CX-3's front end is dominated by a large, distinctive grille with a prominent Mazda emblem. The grille's chrome accents add a touch of sophistication. The headlights are slim and angular, often incorporating LED technology, and are designed to complement the grille's aggressive look. Body lines. The CX-3 features sculpted body lines that run along the sides, creating a sense of motion even when the vehicle is stationary. These lines enhance the aerodynamic profile and give the car a more dynamic stance. Wheel options. The CX-3 typically comes with alloy wheels ranging in size from 16 to 18 inches, depending on the trim level. The wheel designs vary, with higher trims often featuring more intricate patterns and finishes. Rear design. At the rear, the CX-3 is characterized by sleek, elongated taillights and a well-integrated rear spoiler. The rear bumper is sculpted to match the vehicle's overall aerodynamic design, and the dual exhaust outlets on higher trims add a sporty touch. Color options. Mazda offers a range of vibrant and sophisticated colors for the CX-3, including options like Soul Red Crystal, Machine Gray Metallic, and Ceramic Metallic. These colors are designed to enhance the vehicle's aesthetic appeal and highlight its design features. Interior. The Mazda CX-3's interior is designed to offer a premium feel and driver-focused ergonomics. Key aspects of the interior include dashboard and controls. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, featuring a centrally positioned 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This system is equipped with Mazda's Connect interface, which provides intuitive control over various functions. The dashboard is typically adorned with high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and chrome accents. Seating. The front seats are designed for comfort and support, often featuring sportier contours and adjustable settings. Higher trims may offer leather upholstery and power-adjustable front seats. The rear seats, however, are relatively compact, offering limited legroom and headroom compared to larger SUVs. They are typically designed to accommodate 2 passengers comfortably, although a 3rd passenger can fit in a pinch. Cargo space. The cargo area of the CX-3 is modest, providing around 12.4 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats. With the rear seats folded down, the cargo capacity expands to approximately 44.5 cubic feet. While this is sufficient for daily use and small loads, it may be limiting for those who frequently transport larger items. Materials and finishes. The interior materials vary by trim level, with base models featuring durable fabric upholstery and higher trims offering premium leather and stitching details. The overall build quality is high, with attention to detail in materials and fit and finish. Technology and features. Standard tech features often include Bluetooth connectivity, a rear-view camera, and a USB port. Higher trims may include advanced features such as a head-up display, navigation, and an upgraded audio system. The CX-3's interior also includes thoughtful touches like climate control, cup holders, and various storage compartments to enhance convenience. Performance. The CX-3 is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces around 146 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle's SkyActiv technology, which includes lightweight construction and efficient engineering, contributes to its agile handling and responsive performance. The CX-3 is available with either front-wheel drive, FWD, or all-wheel drive, AWD, with the latter providing enhanced traction in various driving conditions. Safety. In terms of safety, the CX-3 is equipped with a range of features designed to protect occupants and assist the driver. These typically include a rear-view camera, advanced airbags, and electronic stability control. Depending on the model year and trim, additional driver assistance features such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control may be available. Limitations. While the Mazda CX-3 is celebrated for its driving dynamics and upscale interior, it does have some limitations. The rear seat is relatively tight, making it less ideal for families or those who frequently carry passengers. Similarly, the cargo space is modest compared to some competitors, which may be a consideration for those needing more storage capacity.